Hi everyone, welcome to my implementation video. So I would like to share with you my implementation plans. This is a 6-week synchronous online course. It will be approximately 30% synchronous and 70% asynchronous. My topic is how to set up your own dental hygiene clinic. There will be one 1-hour Zoom class per week, 6 in total. I will be the instructor, facilitator, mentor, coach. Let's look a little further. So I have developed the introduction module as well as module 1. And I would like to share that with you. So here in the green, it says that this is my introduction module for week 1. When you see this little button, they would click the button, and beside the button it says classroom agreement. This Word document would come up and it would just talk about the classroom agreement, how we want to have a positive environment, and we are striving for privacy and confidentiality, so no recording without permission. Then they will press this button and out will pop this Word document, and it's just my little letter of welcome saying basically welcome to how to set up your own dental hygiene clinic. What this course will deal with, what this course will enable you to do, an introduction to who I am. I will be your guide over the next 5 modules, and I want them to succeed, and that's it. Then the next icon is this little thing, and this indicates it's a video. So I have recorded a video welcome, Linda's welcome video to the course. It is on the YouTube link, or it will be linked to this platform. I have included the YouTube link at the end of this recording, but basically it's welcome to how to build your own dental hygiene clinic, who I am, and talks a little bit about the assignments, the Zoom classes, and yeah, I'll let you listen to my little blurb, my little welcome to the course. So next, I have recorded another little video, Linda's orientation message, and chat about the introductory Zoom meeting. So you will also find this at the end of this recording. It is a YouTube link, and it basically says, what are your expectations for week 1? Week 1 is basically orientation week, and you can do these 4 things, and you can listen to my little blurb about the orientation for the introduction to the Zoom meeting. And again, I have attached this to the end of this recording. Next, they'll press this icon, and if they are interested in the course outcomes, this is completely out of the chart that I have made for my outcome-based course. This is the course outcomes, and this is where I'll be sharing it. Next, they press this outcome, and they'll see the course description of what this course is about. Next, they will press this icon, and they'll see what all the course topics are. And this will pop up as again as a Word document. What each module will be teaching them. Then they'll press this button and they'll see the course evaluation plan and how they will be assessed. Then they will press this button and they'll see the communication, how we will communicate, another link, Zoom meeting link, the instructor's email, how they can contact me, and the required text and how they order it. So that is my introductory module. That is the end of my introductory module. Next, I will introduce to you module number 1. This is for week 2. They have a pre-reading, chapter 1 to 4. They press this icon and they will see a little video. Linda chats about chapter 1 to 4 from the text, about entrepreneurship and vision, and just a little bit about assignment number 1. So this little purple part here is just what I say and how I talk about what we're going to be doing in the Zoom meeting in the Zoom meeting for week module 1 or week 2 Zoom meeting. Then they press this little icon and they'll see me talking about assignment number 1. And you as well, I have linked this to the end of this introduction, and you can see me talking about what assignment number 1 is. There are 2 parts to this assignment. You have to write out your rationale, and the second part and the first part is to write out a vision for your dental hygiene clinic, and the second part is about your rationale. There will be a Zoom meeting this week, and there will be a link. They press this icon and you'll be able to see assignment number 1, what will your clinic look like, what is your vision, and it's a Word document, and they will be able to see what it's worth, guiding questions, and then they press this icon and they'll see the resources for week number 2 or module 1, which will be online reading articles on risk tolerance, online reading articles on owning your own business, video interviews of hygienists, and the different ways that they have chosen, real world hygienists, and different ways that they have chosen to open up their own practice. So they can look at every one of these videos, and that is the end of my module 1. So I have not fleshed out module 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is to come. But that basically is how I'm going to be creating each of the models following what you saw above. And that's it. Thanks for listening.